going on, you guys? We got a 2002 Hyundai Elantra. We're going to be changing the PVC valve. So that will be this one right here. It's a screw on. So to get to that, you just got to take the cover off. I'm actually going to remove this just to get some more space to move around. Let's see. And use just a 10mm. We'll just move this out of the way. Actually, let's move this one too. So this will work on a 2005 to 2000 Hyundai. Let's tuck that in there. So, got the new one right here. You can see it rattles. So you guys want to change this every 4,000 miles, 40,000 I mean. So this is a screw on. Already went ahead, got a clamp here. Already went ahead and removed it. Now so for this one I use a 9/16. Let me try to put the camera down for a little bit. So I went ahead and unscrewed this one. It's just easier to get out. So same thing, it's just got a clamp, pinch. Already unscrewed it. Here's the old one. So you guys can see. I mean, it still rattles, but it's always good to change them. There's both of them side by side. Just make sure they're the same. Everything's good. So we'll just put this one on there. It's probably easier without the hoses and stuff in the way. But yeah, just tie that back on. Then the big side goes on this side, the little side on this side. But hopefully that helps. We'll see you guys run.